Dang, you got that basic ringtone.
Ah, the ghetto!
We out here. We out here.
We be out here.
When you imagine a scientist, what do you see? Hey y'all, welcome to wokeSTEM, a digital space made to intersect social justice and STEM while uniquely centering people of color. Now today, we have a very special guest. We have Kofi Amoah. I say that right?
Correct.
Okay, I'm just making sure because you know how people be chopping up names when they can say other names right. Anyways, Kofi is a PhD student here at UCLA in Bioinformatics. We got a real gem sitting in the chair right now. Now, the research that you do is you basically take predictive analytics and use that to understand human disease. What does that mean?
Have you heard of machine learning?
Oh my gosh, yes. Is that when you're online and you're like looking up some cute little outfit or whatever for the weekend?
Yeah.
And you go back on Facebook and you're scrolling and randomly you see the ad for that same dress online?
Exactly. That's machine learning. So those companies, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they all use machine learning to sort of guess what you'll be interested in buying after looking at your browser history.
So you're using machine learning to take advantage of those individual genetic profiles that we have?
Exactly.
To create cures or treatments for people. Oh, bruh. You out here, like, oh my gosh. Is that your phone?
No, it must be yours because I don't have one. Dang, you got that basic ringtone.
Why you playing? What happened to your phone?
I dropped it in water last week, so I have to get a new one.
You are wilding out. So you don't have a phone right now?
No, I don't.
How about if you guess the price of this phone,
Yeah.
I'll let you have it for free.
Oh wow, let's do it. But I'm gonna need two things: screen size and storage.
So the screen size in that phone is 5.5 inches. Storage is 64 gigs, if I remember correctly.
Got it. So I've sampled some phones out there in the market and I've looked for their screen size and their storage in addition to how much they cost. Now the phones with the larger screen size are going to be to the right and the ones with the larger storage are going to be on top. Now we know our phone that we're trying to guess the price of has 5.5 inches of the screen size and 64 gigabytes of storage. So we're going to use the k-nearest neighbors algorithm usually used in bioinformatics to help us guess the price of this phone.
So what you're telling me is that you're taking the known information about all of these phones, you're plotting them on a graph, and you're also taking the known information about the phone that you want to know the price of as well. I think I know where you're going with this.
We chose our K to be 5. That means we're going to be looking for the 5 closest phones to our phone on this graph. Now that we have identified the 5 closest phones to our phone, we're going to take the average of their prices and that is going to be our guess for Chantel's phone. And the average for those 5 phones is $740. So Chantel, I would say your phone costs $740. Am I right?
Wow! Okay, so my phone actually costs $750. So you're like $10 off, which is super close for just using screen size and storage size.
I'm glad you mentioned that. And that is as a result of the number of Ks we chose. Maybe if we had used more phones, a higher number of K, we would have been even closer.
One thing that keeps coming to mind is like, yes, you do these bioinformatics work. Yes, the research you're doing right now is gonna make a huge impact on the world, especially when it comes to cancer and cancer biology and just human disease in general. But I mean, this isn't all that you do. What else do you like to do? Like, what are other things about yourself that you think are really dope and that aren't essentially just, you know, in line with you being a scientist?
Yeah, so first of all, I'm an international student. I'm from Ghana.
Oh,
and
wow.
I came to the United States 5 years ago to start college.
You really made that voyage.
Not on a boat though. If that's what you thought. And you'll be surprised to hear that I like country music as well. You know, because I lived in Nashville for 4 years. Not the kind of country you think, the farms and the beer. No, not that. This
I
is
know
more
country
modern.
music isn't just about
Okay,
farms
good.
and horses and
Good,
my bottle of whatever.
good.
But that's what's up,
my
though.
dog.
My
My dog
dog.
died.
Woo!
Oh.
For you being an international student, the fact you went to HBCU, you're doing cancer research in bioinformatics, like, you must have a lot of nuggets of wisdom. Do you mind sharing at least something you've learned on your journey with some of our viewers?
Do it for the vine. Did I say
Oh
vines?
my God!
Anyway, you're not talking sense.
We all have challenges, we face challenges in life, but one thing for me personally that keeps me going is looking back at some of the successes that I've had previously and using that as empowerment through whatever it is that I'm facing right now.
So Kofi, thank you so much for everything that you really just put us all on. You laced us all up today. I hope that everybody who's still here was able to resonate with everything that he was able to say, that everything that he dropped, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because we got more of this coming, y'all. It's about to just be real. It's gonna be flamey. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you heard today. Make sure that you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me. I'm grateful to Him.
So how are you going to prepare for the final? What will you do now?
The final will be a deadly day. It's gonna be either both of us gonna die on the line. Because I'm ready to run into the line because I have a black man blood in me. And African people, we are born great. I'm ready for it.